Hey y'all, I'm outside as planned. I'm getting ready to do this nature walk. Ain't no stopping me. I know it's gonna be tight, a little hard, but I gotta do this. It's so pretty out here today, so let's walk, cause I'm ready. I'm out here doing my thing, enjoying this walk. It's very hard on my joints, my knees, my hips, my back, my feet. Everything hurts. But guess what? There's no excuse. There's no quitting. I can always stop and rest like I'm doing right now and just gotta keep going. Cause eventually this walk is gonna turn into a run. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm looking forward to. Give me about 6 months to a year. And I guarantee you, the glow up is gonna be phenomenal. I'm out, I'm moving my body. And that's what's most important, to get this weight off. I love doing it, even though it's hard, but I'm not quitting, and that's the most important thing. On my little nature walk, you guys, feels so good to be able to get up and come outside and enjoy this beautiful weather. I gotta do this. I'm doing this for me.